How to clear temporary files in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to free up storage space by removing files your system no longer needs. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Storage on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a breakdown of what's taking up space on your drive. Click on Temporary Files from that list. From here, Windows will scan and show you a list of different types of temporary files, like recycle bin contents, Windows Update cleanup, thumbnails, and delivery optimization files. Go through the list and check the boxes next to everything you want to remove. Following this, once you've made your selections, click Remove Files at the top, and Windows will delete everything you checked right away. After that, if you want a quicker way to do this in the future, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, type in %temp, and hit Enter. From here, a folder will open showing all your temporary app files. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything, and hit Delete to clear them out. Finally, run the same thing again, but type temp without the % this time, and repeat the same steps to clear out the system temp folder as well. That's how you clear temporary files in Windows 11. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!